If anybody know of Fitzroy Douglas family, make them know them not see him anytime soon because him just get 50 years with the spoon. Greetings, greetings, and salutations to all nations, especially my beautiful Jamaica. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's Rastafari Soldier of Deeproots TV. If you have not subscribed to the Rastaman channel, smash that red subscribe button. Become a part of the Rastaman panel, because a man have been given more than 50 years because this man feel that him did bad. He was accosted and sentenced for more than 50 years in prison on gun charge and firing charge. Accused 49-year-old Fitzroy Douglas of Christopher Road, Kingston 14. He was subsequently sentenced following a trial before High Court Judge Carleen Tia Powell. Douglas faced charges of 3 counts of shooting with intent, possession of a prohibited weapon, and unauthorized possession of ammunition. Him a go get some years. Justice Tia Powell sentenced Douglas to 15 years in prison on each count of shooting, 6 years and 6 months for firearm, and 2 years and 6 months ammunition. The sentence for this shooting charge are to run concurrently. That means him only going to do 15 years. Now what kind of idiot thing that? Allegations are that around 9:49 p.m. January 12, 2021, police were on mobile patrol in a marked service vehicle in Kingston, Western Division, when they saw a crowd at what appeared to be a party, but it never a party. It was a blood drinking fest. Reportedly pursued Douglas, called to him, identified themselves, and told him to stop. Douglas allegedly run onto Spanish Town Road. They should have turned back right there, sir, and attempted to flee. Now, when his attempt was unsuccessful. He said that he attempted to jump a wall. Upon the approach of the police, he allegedly pulled the firearm from in front of his waistband and opened fire in the direction of the officer. The cops took cover and returned fire in the direction. He was shot and fell to the ground. Lucky he never see him make it. When the police approached Douglas, he reportedly got up and ran off towards Colin Smith Drive, where he managed to elude the lawmen. A search of the area reportedly revealed a black Gen 4 Glock pistol containing a magazine with 2 9mm rounds, where Douglas fell. The cops called for assistance, and search of the community was concluded via trail of blood and led to premises where Douglas was found suffering from apparent gunshot injury in the right forearm. He was treated at the Kingston Public Hospital. He's lucky no police officers were injured. However, the service unit and other vehicles damaged by the apparent gunshot returned by, this said Douglas. The Independent Commission of Investigation, INDECOM, and police processed the scene. Following investigation by Detective Constable Marvin Ellis from the Denham Town CIB, Douglas was charged, subsequently tried and sentenced. They said over 50 years, but it's 15 years because they are all running concurrent. And Jamaica is safer. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comment on this one. And I'm sending a message to all the criminals. The Jamaican government is serious on making Jamaica safe again. Leave your comment. Share up the content. If you have not followed or subscribed, do that for me, family and friend. It free. More life and more joy. More happiness. Stay blessed. Good riddance to another criminal in my beautiful island.